Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh. Today is the 12th of January 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 17th of January 2025. The max Y level is lower for both at 400, that's negative. It's lower for CE and higher for PE, but it's much more lower for CE, so that's negative overall. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Changes more in PE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is above 1, that's positive. Implied volatility is higher, that's negative, and historical volatility is lower, that's positive. RSI is lower, that's negative. There's no divergence, that's positive. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is lower, negative. Candlestick is bearish, that's negative. The support and resistance are 400. The previous week's support was 390, and the previous week's resistance was 430. And the overall prediction is to stay neutral this week as well. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.